These are some of my favorite purple flowers. This is a really incredible ground cover. This is a native plant. I discovered it when I was at Lady Bird Johnson in Austin probably about 15 years ago, and I've had it at my house. It's Dyschoriste oblongifolia or linearis. Anyway, the common name is snakeherb, and it will make a nice dense mat in sun and shade to take out weeds, so that you don't have to put as much mulch out all the time. It is semi-evergreen, and if you look right now, bees. It's a wonderful pollinator plant too. It works well with our other natives. We have late fall thoroughwort. We have Salvia greggii. We have Aquilegia chrysantha, the yellow columbine. And this is under sort of an array of native redbuds. We also have beautyberry in here. But this is so tough. I probably planted it at least 8 or 10 years ago, and just little bitty plugs, which I had, collected and grown for my own. And actually, I had poison ivy in this bed, and being an idiot, I thought if I sprayed the poison ivy, I wouldn't hit the Dyschoriste. Fail. I come back later and I realized, I hit the Dyschoriste. Well, it looked like it was taking a turn for the worse and down for the count. And then the next year, bam, came back. So it's really tough when it goes towards the sun, but it's also in the shade. When it gets to the sunny areas, then it starts growing and rooting out here. And that's when I just chop it off, and then I'll root it in a light mix of perlite and potting soil, get some roots on it, and then replant it. But it's semi-evergreen and doesn't need much water, and I just think it's one of the most perfect ground covers. This area here gets a lot of sun in the summer, and sometimes we do come in and we might, water by hand once a week or something. But this really hasn't suffered much from drought, as you can tell, or we've had, snowpocalypse freezes that have been down in the, single digits. It's made it back from that. It's made it into the hundreds, mid-hundreds. So it's pretty tough plant, and kind of hard to find in the trade, but definitely worth it. Well, this is another one of my favorite tried and true plants. This is Salvia greggii. A lot of times it's called fall sage, autumn sage. This past winter, when it was just sticks and real rangy, I just whacked it back real good, and bam, when spring came, it just flushed out. Now it's going to attract lots of hummingbirds, and as you can tell, well, it's not that sunny today, but this side gets full sun. But on the other side of the path, we have part shade, and it flowers really nice over there as well. So it is pretty much evergreen, but it's not like a thick evergreen thing. But for a pollinator plant, for hummingbirds, for bees, it's just, and long blooming season, it's just really a great plant.